Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set ringtones in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to sounds and vibration here. Then go to ringtone. And here you can set ringtone for SIM1 as well as SIM2. Okay, first of all, you can set ringtone for SIM1. Select from the available options. You can also choose any song as a ringtone. For that, click on this plus symbol, and if you have any music file, lot of music files in your internal storage, it will be listed here, and you can choose here. Unfortunately, I don't have anything, only one is available, and I select it and click on done. Yes, that has been set as ringtone. Okay, in this way you can also add custom ringtone. Okay, click on SIM2 here, and then select a ringtone here. Okay, I am selecting this one. If you would like to select a custom ringtone, click on plus symbol and select any tone here. Okay, so in this way you can easily set ringtone for both SIM1 and SIM2. Okay, see here, I have gone back, and SIM1 and SIM2 are having what I have selected. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.